If your video streams are struggling to display without jitter on low bandwidth connections, Hanwha Vision's WiseStream with AI, our latest intelligent video compression technology, is here to assist. WiseStream with AI is available on our AI cameras to reduce bitrate and get the video to the destination faster and more efficiently. It can also increase retention time as it is more efficient with storage than other compression methods. Hanwha Vision have released WiseStream with AI, which takes advantage of the AI-detected objects to choose what parts of the scene to compress. Older implementations of WiseStream used motion detection to choose what parts of the scene to compress, but this would include changes in light, such as shadows, the movement of clouds and sun, irrelevant moving objects, such as the leaves blowing in the wind or debris on the road, and wildlife and pets, neither of which are relevant to the most security applications. By carefully filtering and detecting objects which are people, faces, vehicles, and number plates, the remaining scenes can be aggressively compressed while the details of these objects are preserved at the best quality, ensuring the bandwidth is used for the most relevant video footage. With this method, static scenes can be compressed by 95% and active scenes up to 50%.
To turn on WiseStream, we go to the WiseStream menu under the video and audio menus. In this case, I've turned it off after testing. In Device Manager, I've gone to Live Viewer. This gives us our bitrate calculator, or our bitrate graph, which you can see on the right-hand side there, which is currently 7025 kilobits per second. The average of this entire clip was 7774.37 kilobits per second, which you'll see at the end when I compare with the other clip. Now, to turn WiseStream on, we go to the video and audio menu. Under WiseStream, we click on High in this case, and I include the AI-based WiseStream for object detection. And we run the same simulation again. And you can see I'm capturing the data. And in this case, the average turned out to be 3,975.61 kilobits per second, which you'll see again on the comparison at the end. The scene is of a couple playing with their dog on the beach. The waves give us a lot of motion. We also have some static scenery on the bottom right, but the objects to be detected are the people themselves, not the ball, not the dog, and not the shadows or the waves. Here is the comparison. You can see the WiseStream off on the left, the WiseStream on high on the right, and there are two averages and the difference between them, showing a significant savings in bitrate and ultimately storage. Older cameras have a different way of accessing the WiseStream, but it's the same menu structure. So under video and audio, WiseStream, there was another name for the AI WiseStream called WiseStream 3. In this case, I've set it to medium just to be different. Two other features that need to be turned on for WiseStream to work correctly is the dynamic gov or group of videos. That's how many iframes to predicted frames you will receive. In this case, it's 200, so it's one iframe for 200 p frames. Dynamic frames per second allows the camera to adjust the frames per second according to the scene.
In conclusion, WiseStream with AI is bandwidth and storage conserving technology used in conjunction with the H.265 compression standard. It can reduce bandwidth and storage usage up to 95% in static scenes and 50% in active scenes compared with standard compressions. This makes it easier to deliver video over limited network connections or increase the video retention limit on your recorder. It uses AI object detection to preserve details on relevant objects and ignore general motion pixels that would usually increase the bitrate for no real benefit. Go to your camera and try using WiseStream with AI now.